everyone to the ninth episode of A Piece of Life, a wonderful podcast powered by Brain to Body Revolution. I, Supriya Nera, with my lovely partner Soumya, welcome each and every one of you in today's wonderful episode. So, Soumya, you have any thoughts for any guesses for what we are going to talk about today?
Clueless. You don't reveal, so no.
Yeah, this is the magic that we do not reveal, so that the other person also, the person who is there in the podcast, he is equally intrigued as you guys are. So, guys, if you have not watched our podcast as of now, then do watch it. You will certainly get a lot of meaning out of it. And so today, Soumya, as you know, the examinations are going on. There are students who are actually working round the clock to get into the exams, maybe to their dream colleges, to get excellent number in the board examinations. So this is for them actually.
Wow, that's need of the hour right now.
Yeah, that's need of the hour. So just we just thought that let me just bring something like something for those kids. So as a kid, if you remember your time, or even if you remember your corporate duration, the time you served in a corporate.
Mm.
So what do you think? Like when you were undergoing that thing, कोई presentation था, and you were actually congratulated for your brilliant performance. So what kind of thought आपको कैसा लगा था कि did you actually did so well because of that you are getting so much appreciations, or या फिर आपको ऐसा लगा था कि you were not prepared that much but still you got lot of appreciations and you were under this zone that यार मैंने कुछ किया नहीं फिर भी I'm getting so much appreciation. And the second part is you did not try at all, you did not know at all about the subject or whatever, and you are thinking that you know a lot.
So yes, of course, there has been time where I think I could have done better, but still I got applauded for it.
Mm-hmm.
And definitely the other part is true as well that
Mm-hmm.
there have been time when we have prepared too much also and it has not worked out in our favor and we not got something out of it. Either case, like I can say 50-50, like both have
It's
happened. But
50-50.
yes, there has been experiences like that for sure. Yeah.
So, if we look at the scale now, the entire spectrum, there are two types of people, basically, majorly. So, the people who are quite perfectionist in whatever they do, they're always skeptical that, yeah, you are. So, they're skeptical that, yaar, मैं वहाँ पर गया हूँ, I'm getting so much of appreciation, but do I really deserve that?
Yeah.
You know, and you have gone somewhere and people are telling you that Soumya, you're looking so fantastic, you're looking so great, but you barely managed to go there. You look so fresh, but you did not actually, in your mind you were not that fresh, but still. So उसमें क्या होता है, you sometimes feel that am I a fraud? They are thinking like they are thinking they are making some fake sentences about me that I am not able to accept. तो बच्चों के साथ ऐसा बहुत होता है, एग्जाम में कोई भी इंटरव्यू में आप गए and they start doubting themselves,
Yeah. True. Yeah. True.
right? And there is one sentence now, fake it till you make it,
Oh yeah. Yeah. That's
right?
going around a lot. Yeah.
This that's going around a lot. So when people say that it's okay, fake it till you make it, so that fake words come in such a way in their life that throughout their life they're just faking it, and they are counting themselves as culprit कि यार मैं क्या फ्रॉड हूँ, मैं ये गलत करता जा रहा हूँ, आई डू नॉट डिजर्व मच. आई रिमेंबर माई इंस्टेंस ऑल्सो. I had appeared for an examination, and Soumya, you won't believe I had got 100 में से 98 marks. And after getting that 98 marks also, I was skeptical. यार अच्छे नंबर नहीं आए. People asked me, I was like, क्या है? अभी मैं सोचती हूँ ना, मुझे लगता है यार क्या थी मैं? बुद्धू थी क्या? So people asked me, क्या कितने नंबर? And I was just hiding my paper. You know, the time when get your answer sheets, आपको पता होता है कि आपके नंबर है. तो I was like, यार नहीं कम है. यार क्या है कम है? 90 is too much. Then that is actually something which was under me, that even though I had got such a great marks, but still I was not confident enough to showcase myself into that podium that yeah, you are the best.
True.
So
Happened so many.
when you appear in these kind of situations, you have faced this kind of situations in the childhood and in the teens, you kind of go ahead with that thing in your adulthood also.
Okay.
Right? So
Mm-hmm.
जैसे कि तुम्हें पता है I love cooking, so I had suppose I have baked a cake and it came out really turned out very well. एंड पीपल आर कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटिंग ऑल्सो कि वाओ प्रिया तुमने तो बहुत अच्छा केक बनाया, बट मुझे ना कुछ कमी नजर आएगी, नहीं
Yeah,
उसमें ऐसा होना चाहिए था, उसमें ना उसको मैं ऐसे कर सकती थी,
all the time, especially in cooking. It's all the
स्पेशली इन कुकिंग या,
time.
एंड इवन इफ द वे यू सेड ना कि प्रेजेंटेशन बनाया आपने, सबने आपको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट किया, सबको आप बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आपने बहुत अच्छा किया, बट यू नो कि मैंने पूरा तरह से अच्छे से अपना 100% नहीं दिया था,
I could have done more for
you
sure.
could have done more, so that is always a thing. So can anything be 100% ever?
No, not
No.
possible.
So, but we are always running after the 100% thing. It is not just you. There are so many people, now not just us, so many people, even if they fall in the category of billionaires, highly educated scientists and researchers, they also fall into this category. You know,
Absolutely. Yeah, this is going like going around like a disease. Everybody wants to be like look 100%, be 100%. Don't know what is this 100% yet, but yeah, we all want to be that perfect. The word perfect. Yeah.
the word perfect, and perfection is nothing but a mirage. So
Yes.
so many people chase this perfectionism, but they do not find themselves yet, वहां पर वो पहुंचते नहीं है, and जब उनको वो perfect compliments मिलने शुरू हो जाते हैं, maybe
Yeah.
they get hike in their salaries or they get good medical college or engineering college as per their desire, but they kind of feel कि वो लोग तो मुझसे ज्यादा अच्छे थे, बाकी लोग मुझसे ज्यादा डिजर्विंग है, पर मुझे मिलता जा रहा है. So this is actually giving them a feeling inside their mind. They are feeling like a fraud. I do not deserve it, but I'm here. So that is actually where you find yourself as imposter. And there you call this term as, this is something called as imposter's phenomenon, right? So this imposter phenomenon was given, and I'm sure that you know about it. So
Yes, I
imposter
do.
phenomenon is something that we all are experiencing in our lives at certain time. Maybe now we have come out of it, but still there is some certain bit in us अभी भी, है ना, हमको लगता था कि मान लो कोई पॉडकास्ट है, this could have been done even more in a better way. We are always judging ourselves and others. So this judge stays within us sometimes, and कभी कभी वो take a back seat कर लेता है, कभी
Hmm.
कभी वो अपने आप को बहुत उजागर कर लेता है.
Hmm.
So this, and 1978 में Pauline Clance and Suzanne Imes ने इसका ये वाला कॉन्सेप्ट लाया था. And
Hmm.
that's not a very olden time. 1978 quite is अभी का बात लगती है मुझे, तो लगती है, because I am from that era only. So
Correct.
that way, then this is one set of people. Now
Hmm.
there are other set of people. ऐसे बच्चे भी होते थे ना, क्लास के बैक बेंचर्स में होते थे, दे डिड नॉट परफॉर्म वेल एट ऑल, दे डू नॉट स्टडी एट ऑल, बट दे उनको लगता था यार मैंने तो बहुत पढ़ लिया, मैं तो टॉपर बनूंगा, मैं तो टॉपर बनने वाला हूँ.
So first part is the imposter syndrome that we covered, where people they are doing their best, but they still think they can do their best, and when they are complimented for doing their best, they feel that they don't deserve it. So that's imposter syndrome that we covered. So now there is another spectrum to it. This is what you're trying to tell us.
Yeah, there is
Wow.
another spectrum to it, and in this spectrum there are people who have not done much in their life,
Mm-hmm.
right, but they are projecting themselves to be very very confident individuals.
Feku
फेकू,
people.
फेकू, फेंकू जिसको कहते हैं ना हिंदी में. So this is also a type of phenomenon which is going around, and this is called as Dunning-Kruger effect.
Oh yeah, I was reading about it, but did not make sense to me. But when it comes from your mouth, it is making sense. Yeah.
Yeah, so the other side of the spectrum is the Dunning-Kruger effect, in which, well, the scientists Dunning and Kruger, both of them came into this conclusion that are set of people, उनको ना वो बहुत फेक करते हैं, वो फेक
Mhm.
कर करके ऐसा हो जाता है, they land up to the situation, they are termed as overconfident people.
Yeah,
तो
that's that.
ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस होने के कारण ना तो उनको अपने सब्जेक्ट के बारे में पता होता है, यहाँ वहां से पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ से ऊल जलूल बातें जो है, आप सोशल मीडिया में देखो इतने सारे लोग हैं, दे आर एक्चुअली दे डू नॉट हैव गॉट दैट इंटेलेक्ट, बट स्टिल दे आर ब्रिंगिंग अप डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स. इसके कारण ही मुझे लगता है कि सो मेनी गवर्नमेंट्स हैव कम अप विद दिस आइडिया दैट नो, इफ यू आर एजुकेटेड इनफ, जैसे कि बहुत लोगों ने ना उसके लिए भी बहुत ज्यादा करा हुआ है, फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस के ऊपर भी है ना काफी ज्यादा, कि इफ यू
Mhm.
आर एजुकेटेड इनफ टू सजेस्ट पीपल अबाउट द इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, देन ओनली यू कैन गो अबाउट इट.
Hmm.
right? So that way people, they do not have much knowledge about it, but still they are coming up with their ideas, with their things, copying things from here and there. So this is actually the Dunning-Kruger effect.
Wow.
You are living in an illusion, complete illusion. You are telling yourself, you're projecting yourself to be someone which you not at all are.
So this is not completely that fake it till it make it. This is completely faking it.
Faking it. It is not till make it. They are
Hmm.
not making it ना, they are projecting themselves. उनको अपने आप को ऐसे दिखा रहे हैं कि उनको सब कुछ पता है ना, लेकिन उनको नहीं होता है इतना ज्यादा पता. सो दैट इज वाई पीपल, द नॉर्मल पीपल गेट डिविएटेड, है ना.
Hmm.
बहुत सारे लोग इस तरह से आ जाते हैं, नहीं समझ में आता है उन लोगों को चीज़ों का. तो जो कॉमन पीपल है उनको नहीं समझ में आता ना, तो वो डिविएटेड हो जाते हैं, ये कर लो वो कर लो तो ऐसा हो जाएगा.
Hmm.
बहुत सारे, अभी हम, आई डू नॉट वांट टू नेम देम. सो देर आर
Hmm.
सो मेनी पीपल अराउंड which are who are making this kind of things, and
Yeah.
now this thing is getting affected, you know. जो जो बच्चे होते हैं, जो मान लो एग्जाम देने गए हैं, दे थिंक कि उनको सब कुछ आता है यार, पता नहीं मैं क्या ही करके आ जाऊंगा. But at the end of the day, then when they appear for the exam, they do not know much. हो
Yep.
सकता है अपने पेरेंट्स को आके बोल दिया हो कि मम्मा मैं तो फुल मार्क्स आएंगे, बट दे आर लिविंग इन सर्टन काइंड ऑफ इल्यूशन दैट their subconscious knows.
Hmm.
They are not able to reach at that place. Why? Because there's a conflict in the subconscious mind.
Yeah. So I remember having this talk with one of our client. So you know how we tell them to kind of visualize ahead.
Yeah.
You see that you have made it already. That's one of the techniques. That is the fake it till you make it kind of a thing. So she had this particular problem with this. She was like, Soumya, how is it different from people who are just kind of go on saying ki, I will do it, I will do it, I know I'm doing it, but they're not doing it.
They are
How
not
is
doing it.
it different? So I think the difference is you are aware that where you are trying to fake it till you make it, and there is you also know the fact that you're just faking it. You are very aware.
It should be believable to you, na?
Yeah.
You in your mind should believe to till how much extent I can fake,
Yes.
right? And that is the direction, that is the point in life, that where you want to reach. But it should not be completely absurd, you know. It
Yeah.
should be believable to your mind. If it is not believable to your mind will reject it, and you will not be able to reach your goal.
And that's why you come across as fake person to someone else. You may be wanting, like suppose you want to be a billionaire right now, you are just earning maybe 10,000 per month,
Hmm.
but
Hmm.
you are dreaming to become a billionaire, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Nowhere in your consciousness you feel that you can be a billionaire, but you
No,
keep on saying to others that I'm a billionaire, I'm a billionaire, I'm a billionaire. So that then gets perceived by others that you're faking it, right?
you are faking it.
As
Hmm.
opposed to you saying, okay, I'm going to earn 1 lakh per month, I'm going to be a lakpati, or when you project it like that, that is something that even your mind can believe and also others, because we are all connected. The subconscious mind of one can knows the subconscious mind of the other. So yeah, make
So your targets must be believable, no?
Mhm.
If you have got believable things, then your mind will also believe. If your mind believes, then the other person is going to believe you.
Exact. Okay, that makes. So yeah, make your goals. They can be impossible, but they should not be unbelievable. They should be believable.
They should be believable. So there are one set of people, imposters, who
Mm,
are actually very underconfident.
mm,
They are something, but they do not count themselves as something. They have lack
yeah.
of confidence. And
Mm,
the other spectrum of the people who are actually पीड़ित हैं किससे, डनिंग क्रूगर सिंड्रोम से, डनिंग क्रूगर इफेक्ट से, and they are overconfident people.
overconfident. Yeah.
So we neither we want to be imposters, nor we want to have that Dunning-Kruger effect. We
Mm,
want somewhere in the middle.
mm,
ना, वी शुड हैव दैट बैलेंस इन आवर लाइफ. तो वो बैलेंस कैसे आएगा सौम्या हमारे लाइफ में? अगर हम लोग अपने टारगेट्स को बिलीवेबल रखेंगे,
okay.
अगर हमको ये पता है कि हम लोगों को यहाँ पहुंचना है, आई वांट टू गेट इनटू आईआईएम अहमदाबाद, ठीक है, मेरा
Mm,
ये टारगेट है, आई वांट टू गेट इनटू आईआईएम अहमदाबाद. एंड
mm,
नाउ आई डू नॉट हैव इवन अपीयर फॉर द कैट एग्जाम. कैट
mm,
एग्जाम में मुझे अपीयर करना है, वहां मुझे आईआईएम अहमदाबाद में से बच्चे जो क्लियर करके आए हैं, उनके बारे में पढ़ना है, समझना है कि वो कैसा लाइफ लीड करते हैं, उनकी
mm,
लाइफ को फिर अपने आप लीड करना है. otherwise you are not standing anywhere and you are dreaming of going there, so that is completely a fake thing. That is, वो आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा, ना ही आप वहां पर पहुंच पाओगे. So
Mm.
come to the point where your mind actually comes in stance कि हाँ भाई, I am there and I'm going towards it. Have that skill in your life कि वो skill आपने अपन करो. Maybe you want to take some coaching, so that coaching लोगे तो आपके माइंड को बिलीवेबल होगा ना कि हाँ, उसके बाद आप अपना समय लगा रहे हो करके फिर वहां पहुंचोगे. तो यू विल गो देर एज अ कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन हु हैज समथिंग, कुछ आपके पास भी रहेगा. एंड नॉलेज को कभी भी हम लोग 100% तक अचीव नहीं कर सकते हैं, धीरे धीरे करके आपका बढ़ता जाएगा, बट यू आर नॉट 100%. तो ना वो इम्पोस्टर रहेगा ना आपके अंदर कि आप अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट भी नहीं रहोगे. यू नो दैट यू हैव डन, you have your papers, you have done researches, you have studied, you have kept your maybe 10 hours का आपने स्टडी भी किया है, आप पहुंचे हो वहां पर, तो आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड वो बिलीव करने लग पड़ता है, आई
Okay.
एम नॉट देयर बट आई एम गोइंग देयर.
Okay, something on the lines of inspired actions is what you're trying.
Inspired actions you must take so that you are amongst the people who reach their goal. There are people ना वो छलनी में छन के रह जाते हैं, वो अंदर जा ही नहीं पाते हैं. So
Mm.
if you do not want to get filtered out because of the Dunning-Kruger effect, you need to take inspired actions to reach your goals.
So that your thoughts, what you're thinking about yourself, so your words, what you're saying, and your actions, they all come in alignment, and that's when your whatever you're saying is comes to true, and everybody you'll not be the victim of either imposter or the Dunning-Kruger.
Dunning-Kruger. Yeah. So
Okay.
this is so important for us to find out the sweet point that we say,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Sweet point gives
Sweet
you the
point.
maximum pleasure,
Girl,
right?
now you're
So
speaking.
find out that sweet point in between somewhere. That is what Mahatma Buddha ने भी यही कहा था ना, मध्यम मार्ग. So
Hmm.
be a
Perfect.
balanced person, be a moderate person who is balanced, who is neither underconfident nor overconfident.
Hmm.
Right? A little bit of stress is okay, but the cortisol level should not be so much high that your confidence falls down, which
Chronic
is in case of the serotonin hormone, which is in case of the imposter syndrome, right?
chronic chronic stress नहीं चाहिए, acute stress चाहिए that will get you to do some actions and you get you the result.
Yeah, that little bit of stress is important. Otherwise, you will not study only. Otherwise, you
Exactly.
will not prepare for the interview,
Yeah, 100%.
right?
That's
So that much is only required. So, guys, you must understand this, that you are human. You will definitely make mistake. So do not go to term yourself as an imposter. You are okay. You are developing yourself to become a person. Okay, you are
yeah.
developing yourself to become a person who is going towards the path of perfection, maybe
Mm.
not perfect yet, but you are a machine under construction, you are a site under construction, you can say. So
Yeah,
identify the balanced sweet point where you can inculcate and give your energies and reach your targets.
bilkul 100%. So that's the takeaway. So the key points from this is what I've noted is that first make your targets, your goals, your dreams, your desires believable. Like they should feel like, okay, I can't achieve them just yet, but this is somewhere I will get to become or I will be. It's believable to you. You can dream of buying a property in abroad, opposed to thinking of dreaming of, "Hey, I'll buy property over moon or Mars,"
Hmm.
which is still not something that we can all believe. So believable goals and then inspired actions, the your actions, your behavior, your rehna, your everyday routine should match up to what you are saying out loud to people and also to yourself with respect to those goals. And that's when you will neither be a victim of imposter syndrome where you feel, okay, I don't deserve this dream, or
Mhm.
once you achieve it, or you will not feel like Dunning-Kruger, where you have oversaid your thing, you have oversold yourself, and you're coming short in front of people, and then you don't have a face to show. So,
Yeah, that is very important that you find out that sweet spot.
mm,
And if even if you are feeling like an imposter now, you are underconfident, the good news is that you are probably competent at least. Look at the positive side of that. You are competent. You are falling in that category. आप में से competition वाली vibe आ रही है, so go on with that, है ना? टाइम टू जस्ट क्लाइंब अप, मे बी होनर योर स्किल्स, मे बी अपने आप को थोड़ा सा मिरर वर्क करके सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस अपना गेन करो, अपने सेल्फ टॉक पे इम्प्रूव करो, है ना? सो बैलेंस इज एक्चुअली वेयर द मैजिक हैपेंस। और
बिल्कुल।
अगर आप दूसरे स्पेक्ट्रम में होते हो, तो अपने आप को थोड़ा सा अपने ऊपर काम करना शुरू करो, स्टार्ट टेकिंग इंस्पायर्ड एक्शंस, यू विल डेफिनेटली रीच योर टारगेट।
100%. I am doing it. I'm so doing it, girl. I guess I had certain level of imposter syndrome in me, and now
Both,
I
yeah.
can now kind of take these inspired actions and kind of come in alignment. Yeah, you have to change your talk inside you as well. You have to pump, especially imposter syndrome people have to change your self talk and kind of build yourself up. Absolutely wonderful episode, Supriya. Thank you for bringing not one effect, like two effects. What a mala mal day for Thursday. Both imposter syndrome, which is quite known, it is much talked upon
It's much talked about,
in
yeah.
the wellness, mental wellness arena, but this Dunning-Kruger needs to be also brought into light, because this is where it gets murky for people who are trying to do manifestations and trying to visualize. This is where they get confused.
They
Am I
get
faking
confused.
it? I don't deserve this. Why am I faking it? Kind of. And good you brought this up, and good we could talk on this, and we have amazing solutions in place. And of course our programs here at Brain to Body make sure you suffer from neither imposter or neither Dunning Kruger. You will become totally self-worth individual with lot of confidence.
And a
Do
lot
check
of clarity. Yeah.
do check us out. Do check out our programs and from at Brain to Body, www.braintobodyrevolution.com. And you can call, book a consultation. The first consultation is absolutely free for all of you, so make a call and get checked, get yourself looked into, and we can take it forward from there. For more effects that we have discussed throughout the last week, please do check out our YouTube channel. There's a playlist, A Piece of Life. Go ahead and check that out. And of course, right after this video, you'll get so many links. You can click on any and view it. Please do come tomorrow again with one more thing that you have seen, you have felt, but never quite understood it. And we will help you understand it. That's
Yes.
right.
So gear up for tomorrow, guys. आज का हजम करना है और कल के लिए gear up होना है. Okay? So see
Yes.
you tomorrow. Bye bye with another new concept. Bye bye.
Bye,
Love you
guys.
all.
Thank you for
Take
your
care.
time. Love you.